Meaning of disingenuously.
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 Disingenuously. Disingenuously means to act in a way that is insincere or deceptive, often with the intention to mislead or manipulate others. It involves presenting oneself or one's actions in a false or misleading manner, with the aim of creating a false impression or gaining an unfair advantage. The result of acting disingenuously can be damaging to personal or professional relationships, as it undermines trust and can lead to misunderstandings and conflict. It can also result in negative consequences such as legal penalties or reputational damage, particularly if the deception is exposed. In short, acting disingenuously is generally not a desirable trait and can have serious consequences.